In this video, we will learn how to get eSign up and running on iPhone and iPad without getting revoked. First, open Safari and open this link. Scroll down and tap on eSign DNS. Then download it and tap on Allow. Then go to Settings. Install this profile. Then go again to the site tap on the eSign link. Scroll down and tap eSign. Then tap on the first eSign link, then open and install it. Wait for eSign to install. Go to Settings again. Scroll down and tap on General. Again, scroll down and tap on VPN and Device Management. And tap on this, then tap on Trust. It will show a restart pop-up after restart. Open this link on Safari. Hold the download icon and tap on Download, then tap Download again. Wait for it to download. Then open the eSign app, tap on the three dots, and import the eSign zip. After that, follow the process. Now check whether it's working. Import the downloaded IPA file on eSign. Then tap on Import and hit Install. That's it about the video. If this helps, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.